Here I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the about phone section, and here you have to find a line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now here you can find your developer options. Here they are, our very interesting and useful developer options. You can get access to them and get to know with them by yourself, and you can also disable them here and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.